All right, guys, I'm gonna be testing this new pack. Here we have the voltage for each individual cell. Let me put this here. I'm gonna be testing this from a heavy load. Right now the pack is 33.2 degrees. I'm gonna be pushing 60 amps from this pack, and we're gonna see how it's look like in the meter. All right, I don't have too much battery, if you notice. Let's see if I can make this. There we go. Look at this. That's the monitor, that's the battery. I wanna see how it behave every cell individually once I activate this load. Okay, and I'm gonna do it now, and we're gonna see how the current flow in here. Okay, all right, it's pulling right now 60 amps. You can see how the cables are start warming up. All right, I want to find the weakness from the pack, if we have any. You see how the copper start heating up. It's pulling 60 amps. Let's see the numbers in here. That's the SAC 3.8. That's great. Great numbers. Great numbers. Under 60 amps. And we're pulling 60 amps. If you notice here, that's 1300 watts right now currently from that pack. Temperature from the equipment 36. If you notice, the pack is really chilling out, going up, but it's very normal. Let's see how it's doing. Let's see if I can. There we go. Look at how cool is this. The wires is the hottest part, and it's 44, which is great. Remember, these wires are only 10 gauge, which they are not. If you notice, that's the hottest part. The pack is chilling out. The copper is 43. That's 0.2 copper. Wires are getting warmer. Cells are doing great. Let me check myself on the other side. If checking, I'm checking right now if I have any cell. See this color rating, they are all perfectly. That's great. That's what I'm looking for. Because that will tell you if we have any problem with the welding. Everything is perfect. Copper is doing great. See the numbers. Remember, this is 60 amp. We don't have any cooling here. This is going for a drone. Numbers are good. Perfect. Pretty cool. Look at the numbers. 46 only, the pack. Guys, this is 60 amps. Continuous pushing 1300 watts. Look at the numbers. The pack is made to even pick more than that, way more than that. That's to run. Let's see the numbers here. Every individual cell doing perfectly. This is how I test the packs. I'm finishing this one too. Charging is almost done, and I'm gonna perform the same test before send that to the client. Checking numbers. Cables is expected. Remember, this is only those cables. This is my cables, my testing cables. The pack cables is the one that we measure. 60 watts, I mean 60 degrees. Yeah, they start warming up after, I will say 60 to 70. We start seeing those sagging numbers. But remember, I wish make it with 8 gauge, but this is for drones or airplanes. They don't use heavy cables because remember they have airflow and they perform better in the air than in here in the testing. I'm gonna push just a little bit more. 70 amps now. Let's push one more. 80 amps now. Well, my limit right now, I cannot push 80 amp because the equipment have a limit of 1500, and I was touching the 1500. That's why the equipment refused to go in. For example, if I say 80, the equipment goes up to 1500 watts only. So I'm gonna decrease that just to protect my equipment. And let's see the numbers. Now we are seeing 60 degrees. Remember, this is continuously. This is great. It's having touch. I mean, look at the numbers. Continuous current. Let me see what is the hottest point. The cables. 71. That cable is getting a little bit warm, but the pack is doing great. The pack is doing great. See, let me see. See, 70, I mean, you can touch it, no problem. That's not crazy. It starts sagging probably on that temperature. But this is just a test. That's not gonna be running like that. I mean, and this is continuous current. Look at the numbers. Doing great. I'm gonna start pushing a little bit down in current. Let me put 40 because I don't want the pack. This is for a client. I don't want the pack overheat. Doing great. The cells are doing great. See, the copper is chilling out. The copper is chilling out. I mean, the copper is plenty copper for this test. All right. Just I want to show you the process and see you later, guys.